These are 4 purchases that you need to make as a couch flipper, and I'm going to be listing them out all in this video. These are the must-haves of couch flipping, and the very first one, we're gonna get straight into it, which is software. So if you wanna take this business or side hustle at all seriously, you will eventually need to purchase and subscribe to a software. And what this is it gives you instant alerts every time a couch is posted on Facebook Marketplace so that you're not constantly on Marketplace trying to be the first one to message each and every seller. And this is how you get more couch pickups. And like I said, if you want to scale this into any sort of real business, 100% required. And if you want to scale this into any sort of successful side hustle even, 100% required. You need software, especially in today's age where quite a few people may be couch flipping in your area. Therefore, you need to be the first one messaging every seller so that you can get a decent amount of couch pickups and make a decent amount of money every single month, even if it's just a side hustle. And as far as softwares go, I personally use Swoopa. I found it to be the quickest, and I've also used Ivy Flip, and I still do to this day, just for a few different reasons. But Ivy Flip is another sourcing tool that gives you instant alerts every single time a couch is listed on Facebook Marketplace in your area. And one thing about these businesses and these softwares is that if you outreach to them or email them and you think that you're going to be in the couch flipping game for a decent period of time, you can try to get a 6-month subscription, pay a little more money up front, but also get cheaper month-to-month payments because you're paying a lot of money up front to them. So you're a more valuable customer, so they can discount your rate month to month. And that's how you can get a cheaper rate with software. If I had to guess, I don't even know what I'm paying. I'm on a 6-month subscription with Swoopa, and I think I'm paying like $100 a month for the top tier subscription, and that's what you want. You want to try to get the instant alerts if you can afford that subscription, but it would probably be $100 to $200 a month for these subscriptions. However, the first flip you get with the software, you'll make your money back and probably more, much more if you know what you're doing. So it's worth it. It'll help you get so many more flips, and you have to pay for software if you are getting seriously into this game. Secondly, if you're seriously getting into couch flipping, of course, you will need an extractor. And I know this is kind of obvious, right? And you may already have one. However, I want to talk about my experience after 4 years of couch flipping of what extractors work best and what I found the shittiest extractors to be. And I want to start with that. So the HP something, the mid-size Mighty sucks. It always breaks down. It's the one with like the basket handle where you wheel around and it has the basket on the handle part. That one sucks. That one broke down on me, I believe a couple of times, but just one time it really broke down on me. I had to buy a whole nother one. So if you're spending that much money on a Mighty, might as well spend a little bit more, buy the HP 120. That's the one we currently have to this day, and it's lasted us quite a bit now, like over at least a year now. A year, no issues at all. Like that is fairly good for how many couches we're cleaning. We've cleaned over probably 200 couches with that thing. 200 couches still going without issues. So get the HP 120 if you want to really, really invest, and maybe you already have been couch flipping, you want to scale things up, get the HP 120. However, as a beginner, if you're completely new to couch flipping and you need a beginner extractor, I would recommend getting the Rug Doctor because it's super cheap. You can find one locally on Facebook Marketplace. That's what I picked up for my first extractor. And then, so that's the shittiest one that you can get that still works. And the best is the HP 120. The mid-tier one is the Mini Mighty. Again, I don't remember the names of these fucking upholstery machines. However, it's the Mini Mighty. You guys will all know what I'm talking about if you just search up Mighty on Amazon or their website. It is the Mini Mighty. That's like the mid-tier one because it's still a Mighty upholstery machine. You can get the heated version. It's pretty professional. It works great. And it extracts way, way, way better than the Rug Doctor. That one's about like 800, 900 bucks. So I would lean more towards that. If you think you're gonna be doing this for about a year, I would 100% lean towards that because it's a great investment if you think you're gonna be doing this at all long term, right? If you're gonna be doing this for like a month or two, fucking get a Rug Doctor if you need an extractor, right? But if you think you're gonna be doing this for like 6 months to a year or 1 year plus, I would 100% invest into that Mini Mighty as a beginner couch flipper. That's what I would have told myself if I was first starting out, knowing the levels that we scaled to today. The third thing, this one's important. This one's really important. So staging. Obviously, that's not something you can purchase. However, you can purchase several items to improve your staging area. And that's what this third point is. This third point is background photos. This third point is flooring. This third point is a coffee table. This third one is coffee table decor, a lamp, pillows, a throw blanket. There's so many things that you can improve depending on your staging area and what it is. Maybe it's in a garage, maybe it's a storage unit. Whatever it is, there's different things for different spaces depending on the environment, like I just said, that you can purchase to significantly improve your staging area and increase the quality of your photos. Because at the end of the day, for point 3, the whole objective is to increase the quality of your photos forever, right? This is not something that you buy for one couch, you make a flip, you sell it, and then boom, it's over, right? This is something that, on the other hand, this is something that you invest into. You invest into your staging area, and this is gonna serve you forever, right? This is gonna serve you for as long as you couch flip. So it's a way better investment of time, energy, and money is your staging area compared to like doing a repair on a single couch, right? Or spending your life away on trying to clean a couch or get a stain out of a couch. That's a terrible investment to something like this, where you can invest your time, energy, and money into significantly improving your photos, which you will use forever, right? That's what sells these couches, is the photos. That's half of the reason why couch flipping works. Invest into your staging area. The fourth one is gonna be very unique to my own personal brand, to my own couch flipping system, my own couch flipping style, the Billy Price couch flipping system. This is gonna be super unique to that. And by the way, 1 through 4, honestly, this fourth one's the most important. That's why I said it for last, because the people who have the energy and the focus to watch through the final point of this video, I'm leaving the best for you guys, because out of all 3 of these, I promise you this one will serve you most, because it's not only a skill that you can use in couch flipping, but it's a skill that you can carry on throughout the rest of your life, any other business you get into, any other industry, anything else you get into in life after couch flipping. This fourth point will serve you, and that is this is gonna be a microphone, okay? What the fuck do you mean by a microphone? I mean a microphone that clips onto your shirt, like what I'm wearing now, for your social media content, for your local personal brand, for your couch flipping business, to promote your couch flipping business. A microphone. It's the greatest investment that you can get in terms of posting on social media, and it will improve the quality of your videos significantly. And the reason why I say this skill or this purchase will carry on throughout the rest of your life, because if you purchase this and you start to film content for your couch flipping business to target local customers in your area and to ultimately sell more couches, that skill of recording yourself, talking on video, posting on social media, these skills are so, so valuable, especially in the modern day that we're living in, right? So valuable. Posting social media content is so valuable. And that's why this is the most important skill or most important item that you can purchase out of this whole entire list. And if you're looking to grow your couch flipping business, or you're looking to start couch flipping, book a call with me in the description. I will personally hop on a call with you and see if you're a good fit for my one-on-one coaching program.